This is true technological innovation. Smart delivery robot. The first choice for high-end hotels and restaurants. You can get takeout and packages without leaving your home. Simply tap the screen to complete all operations. After picking up the package, the door will automatically close. All routes of the robot do not require remote control by personnel. After completing the order, the robot will return to its original location on its own.
拜拜。我去太空漫步了。
Delivery drivers no longer need to deliver meals themselves, saving a significant amount of time and cost. The robot will complete the remaining journey on its own and even take the elevator by itself. After delivering the meal, return to the origin and execute the next order. Return to the charging slot to charge on your own, even without human intervention. Similarly, the hotel front desk can also ask robots to assist with any needs received from residents. Look, this will greatly save the hotel's labor costs. At present, various types of food delivery robots have been launched in the Chinese market. Different models actually have vastly different functions. There are also delivery robots specifically designed for restaurants to use. It will be lighter and smaller to avoid disturbing diners and staff. This is a revolution in the service industry sector. Everyone, do you want to seize this opportunity? Call Sourcingyuan. We will help you to select one perfectly.